A powerful tool in edit mode is a loop cut. And if you notice in here in Blender, what makes it unique is other platforms will have the faces represented as only as a triangle. Now in Blender, what it does is it allows you to have it as a quad, as a rectangle. By doing so, we can actually do a loop cut. We can subdivide it because it's even. Because a triangle, you can't do that. But we can see this forms a loop. So if I select the outside of this, I go here, okay. So that is selecting the outside of it. We can see this forms a loop. You wouldn't be able to do that with a triangle. So that's why in Blender, the rule of thumb is you want to make your faces into a rectangle like this instead of a triangle. Now you can still do a triangle, but we want to be able to do the loop cut. There are two different ways in order to do a loop cut. Over here on the left-hand side, we actually can select loop cut. So I'm going to click loop cut. And I'm going to position where I want it. In this case, I want it here, but I can have it that way as well. So I'm going to click it, and it'll do the loop cut in the center right there. Now I can continue doing it, and I can actually subdivide it like that. And I can do another one right here. Now to go back, what I'm going to do is over here, I'm going to click on selection. So that is one way you can do it. Now, the way I do it is using the keyboard shortcut. And the reason being is you generally have more control. So I'm going to Ctrl R, and I'm going to click once. And once I click once, by default, it's going to have it in the middle. But what's really cool about this is now I can move it. So I can have it right in the center right here, or I can just have it on the edge like that. So if I click it again, and just like that, it's done. Now let's say you want to do multiple. So I'm going to hold down Control, then R. You could scroll. So by scrolling, you can actually increase the number of it, or you can actually type it in. So let's say I want to do 10 cuts. So I'm going to type in 10, 10 on the very top above the letters on the keyboard, not the numpad. I'm going to click it, and now I can also move this. So let's just select it right there, and there we go. So that's the reason why in Blender we have it as quads. So that way we can do subdivision like this. So we can subdivide. And the reason why we want to be able to subdivide is to make it smooth. Otherwise, it gets very difficult trying to do that with triangles.